guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be showing you a hair wrap, which I've never done before, but if you have curly hair, it apparently takes away the frizz. I have wavy hair, so I'm hoping to get wavy hair out of this. So I will show you what my hair looks like when wrapped in this. So you guys just take a long sleeve t-shirt like I have here. Just got out of the shower, so this is pretty damp. I put some curly stuff in it, and you lay this down like so, and you try and get your hair in front of you and put your hair down kind of on top of itself. Put this over your head. I have to hold it because I have so much hair. And you wrap the front of this forward. And you pull both of these over your head so it holds this flap down. And you position it, and then you tie it in the front, in a knot. So you can see that it just holds all the hair in like that. And so mine has been in for a couple hours, so I can show you that it's still kind of wet, but it is pretty wavy. Not sure it's going to work for my hair because I have so much hair, but definitely shorter hair. I mean, there's not any frizz on my hair, so that's cool. And yeah, so this is my video of random things I did this week. Package today, and we're going to see what's in it. It's always mysterious what you get because you always end up ordering way too much stuff on Amazon or wherever you order things, and you never know what's actually in the package. So, stuffing it. Well, that's fun. So, as you guys know, I have an essential oil business. So, it looks like I bought new roller balls. You can see all of the little rollers here and the glass bottles at the bottom. And I will be using these for the auctions I'm doing this year and the classes. So, I will put some photos of what I'm doing for my classes in here, and yeah, it's been a fun week. I'll show you what is in my fridge and see what I eat for the week. So hope you guys enjoy. So to start off with, whenever I travel, I end up buying a place that I travel to, a magnet, so I can add it to the fridge. And let's see. So, to start off with, this isn't all mine. I live with two other people, so you can see that we don't have regular milk. We have unsweetened almond milk. Less calories, and other things in here. We have snap peas, we have spinach. These are of course all the things that are mine in here. I have lettuce that I use for lettuce wraps. I have an apple here. I have slices of sweet potato in here. I tried earlier this week to make sweet potato toast. I would not recommend it. It doesn't really work unless you are able to slice it really thin. And what else do I have in here? I use veganase to make my tuna fish for lettuce wraps. And let's go down to the freezer here. So, of course, we have all of our meat, prepackaged dinners, all that stuff. One of my favorite things to eat is this Trader Joe's cauliflower crust cheese pizza, and I eat it with spinach on top, so I get my iron. And one of these pizzas is only 750 calories. I'll eat half of one for a meal with spinach on top and fresh red onion. That is my fridge.
Are you helping?
Kitten, you really don't want these. You really don't.
I wasn't planning on roasting these. These are such big, perfect pumpkin seeds. I thought, well, I've got people coming. It's easy enough to pick it all out and roast them.
Kitten, it's goo. You really don't want it. Oh, but her little face is so cute. But I want. I think I just put goo in there instead of seed.
Some goo. I'll rinse them.
Well, hello.
Do you want the cat or the goo?
I can give you the goo. Will it hurt her?
Nope.
No, just after the cat.
There's just
But there's another cat over there.
There's attention being paid this direction.
I know. Yeah. Oh, this is the worm or the chicken bowl.
Yeah.
I was like, why is there grapes at the bottom of this? That'd be an interesting pumpkin.
It was not going to be big enough once we got going here. Hey, no! What? Not okay. Not okay, no. See what it is?
It's goo. You don't want it. Will she eat it? Ew.
She wants whatever we had. Last night, Lana had just a wet paper towel under her, and Bailey kept, like, climbing over her head to get to it. So Lana finally handed it to her, and she took it.
It's kind of like the babies on the lemon. You don't actually want it, but... So supposedly the results for the election are supposed to be in?
Although they're coming in.
Well, there was something about like 3 o'clock.
Well,
I saw
3
it on
o'clock is
MSN.
3 o'clock is 6 o'clock East Coast time, and a lot of the polls close at 6.
Okay, well, you're eating pumpkin.
Some states' polls don't end until...
Well, ours don't end until what, 6 or 7?
You have to have them postmarked by the end of the day, because ours is an all mail-in state, where most states have a combination.
I'm glad that it's all nailed in.
See, and I think that what that's done is decrease voter participation because they said that it was increased participation because people don't have to get to a polling place.
Yeah.
But what happens is the ballot comes in, they put it on their counter, they forget about it, when it used to, everybody on election day knew they had to go somewhere to get it done.
But would you ever run out of time? Like, there would be just so many people in line at a balloting place that you'd have to go somewhere else?
You had to go to your precinct. So you had to go where you were registered because it was before computers. It was a paper list that they had of everybody in their precinct.
Yeah.
And so you had to go where your name was on the list.
So we would go to the line precinct?
Yeah, we would have gone to a fire station or a library. And you'd have the voting machines with the little curtains or little walls on the side for your privacy.
Yeah.
And they marked you off as having voted.
Huh. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys next week.